What's going on, guys? I'm doing some maintenance on my reels, changing out some line, some old braid. I had some issues yesterday. We were out in the water, had some line failures. Check out that video linked above. I'm going to show you guys the simplest way to take line off a reel and then to re-spool it. Check it out. Guys, before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so I have some old braid here. Had some line failures yesterday on the water. You should really try to change your line every year. I would say minimum every 2 years though. So all you're gonna need is one of those high-speed drills and a pencil or some sort of smooth rod, whatever you got lying around the garage. All you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in a drill like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it to take all my line off this reel in a matter of seconds versus trying to pull it off by hand and making a big mess. Later on to get something like that, and we'll put it in the holder. And then with this, you're just gonna wanna twist this up a couple times, get it to kind of grab, okay? And then you're gonna start just reeling it in. You kind of go like this with your hand and hold it and let it wrap up around the pencil, because once it grabs, then you don't have to hold it anymore. It'll do everything for you. There you go. Okay. Alright, and so just make sure it doesn't wrap up around the drill at all. If you have to, just kind of hold your hand there and block it from doing that. But yeah, so you're just gonna take all the line off like this. Also, if you're getting any value out of this video, make sure you hit that like button. But as you can see, it's much faster than trying to pull it off by your hand. Slow down a little bit once you start getting down to your mono. So I have a mono backing on here. I'm gonna leave that on and just basically retie that uni to uni and put some new line on. We'll be good to go. All right, let me show you how easy it is to get rid of it and throw it in the trash. Watch this. Simple as that. So today I'm using Cast King 20-pound braid on my Stratic 5000. Cast King had pretty good reviews on Amazon. First time I've ever used it. But this spool here was about 15 bucks on Amazon for 327 yards. I'll have that link below if you guys want to check it out yourself. Line to line tied. We trimmed up our knot. I'm gonna take my spool and put it down on the ground. I'm gonna hold it in my hand. If you want, you can use like a rag or something like that to hold. You want a little bit of tension now as you're reeling the line on. But all you're gonna do, just go like that and just start reeling. Line, ready to take it fishing. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you got something out of it.